Quick tutorial how to set up scrolling goal notification. Or really any notification you want, it doesn't have to be a goal. Let's see. So, first, the goal text. Yes, you start with a text box. To make a text box, if you don't know, hit the plus sign down here. Come to text, EDI plus. That's what you want to select. So you would make a new one, or if you have an existing one from another scene, you can use that too. I already have one, so we're so over here. It's a little bigger. See if we can cover it at once. So start with text. It's kind of a good place to start. So you have a goal, 40 followers. Drop a like if you like what you see, or follow, whatever, you know. So the secret here is you have your line of text, and then you have multiple lines of nothing. So enter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's just hitting the enter key. So if you scroll back up, there's your text, and then you have a bunch of blank lines. Alright, so that's important for this. Next thing you want to do is select font. I'm using size 36 here, and it's about this size box, this red you see up here. In Corbel, I mean, you use whatever font you want, I just think it looks nice. So that's that. So the next thing is just select the color. If you want to change the opacity to make it slightly transparent so it's not, you know, in the way of your game. I also added an outline color just to make it stand out a little bit more than just black text. I think that helps a little bit, and then I made the opacity about half. You can kind of see what the text looks like now. It's scrolling in. So that's a good transition. Let's show you how to do the scrolling now. Now with that, we're going to right click on goal notification. We're going to go to filters. So you have a filter for scroll. Add that, hit the plus sign, go down to scroll, that's how you add it. So I didn't do too much here. We're using vertical speed, so that's going up and down. And then we're going to make it -4. So negative is signifying how what direction it's going in. So if you have a positive number, it scrolls upwards. If you have a negative number, it scrolls downward. So the higher the number here, either positive or negative, it doesn't matter. The higher the number, the faster it scrolls. So like I can set this to like 24. You're gonna see it like fly by. Yeah, there it goes. So the way I have it at -4, it takes about a minute and 15 seconds, a minute and a half to scroll through, and then it stays on the screen for a pretty nice amount of time, I think. But you really could configure that however you want. So the only other thing I'm doing here is I'm limiting height to 45 because we have all those extra lines in there. If you don't limit the height, you just get a whole big scrolling box that's going to be scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and that's not really what you want. So I'm limiting height to 45, and that's the size of this box, and that's the only area that it is going to show in. And then I have it set to loop, and that's going to make it so that when it gets to the bottom of the text, it starts at the top again and it scrolls through the box again. If you don't have it to loop, it's only going to show once. Not really what you want. Okay, that's it. If you like the tutorial, cool. Glad it helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.